Hi guys, today I'm going to be harvesting and planting some salad greens in July. We have been seeing temperatures in the 90 to 100 degree range for about a week now. Unfortunately, lettuce and spinach are both cool weather crops, and when it's hot outside, they're going to bolt and go to seed. But I'm going to show you how to grow my favorite spinach and lettuce alternative, and you can grow them during the heat of the summer. This is a pot of Swiss chard. For fresh eating, I prefer Swiss chard to be harvested at this baby stage. When chard gets older and it's at a more mature stage of growth, this is how it looks. It has thick ribbing in the center, and the leaves aren't as mild and tender as they are when they're young. If you plant and harvest Swiss chard as a baby green, it's really good for using in salads and on sandwiches. I'm going to show you how to plant it like this, but first we're going to harvest some of it. I'm just going to grab a handful here and then start cutting down here near the base of the plants. And now look how good this looks. Wouldn't this make a really nice salad? You could throw some tomatoes on here from your garden, some peppers, onions, cucumbers, maybe some herbs, whatever you happen to be harvesting at the moment. Now let's get some more planted. I have two different kinds of Swiss chard here. I prefer the white stemmed Swiss chard for flavor, but the pink adds some color. There's all different colors of Swiss chard. There's orange, red, pink, so just use whatever you like. These seed pods actually contain about 3 little plant embryos, but we're still going to plant them close together so that we can harvest lots of baby salad greens. I'm just sprinkling them all over the surface of the soil. Maybe just a little bit more. All right, that looks pretty good to me, and I'm just going to cover them up. Be sure to keep the seeds moist while they're germinating. And take extra care when you're sowing seeds in the middle of summer. They can dry out very quickly in the heat. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you know of some lettuce and spinach alternatives that you can grow in the summer, let me know down in the comments. It could help other people out and give them some ideas of some things that they could grow. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.